I found a spoon.
I love spoons.
That's a huge thing. This is my hand compared to it. Now, I'm gonna go act like I'm on an extreme sugar high because